Hi everyone. Meet CE-H's Full HD HDMI Quad-Split Multi-Viewer Switch. This product allows 4 HDMI sources to be displayed on one screen in 3 different modes. The first mode is full screen, where only one source is being shown at a time. Second is dual mode. You can pick 2 sources and each will show on half of the display. Third is quad mode. You can show 3 different layouts. These layouts can help you show which source you think is a priority. The first quad mode layout is one source shown as the primary with the other 3 sources shown on the side, like a film strip. The second quad mode layout shows all 4 sources equally tiled on the screen. The third quad mode layout shows 2 middle sources as the primary and 2 sources on each side. You can control by remote or by the Mode button on the box. Our Full HD HDMI Quad-Split Multi-Viewer Switch will help you spot the details you need from your security cameras. Thank you for watching.